Well, it's time to move the T-Bird from Phoenix to New York, probably this summer, a few months before I move it up. But I have everything on the T-Bird I can possibly get, and the motor hasn't been started up. My mechanic will do that when I get it up north. So here's what the car looks like, and we got the bumpers on. We got the new windows in, or actually the existing window with new weather stripping, the trim. We got some of the ornaments on it, not all of them old, but cleaned up. I've got new ones to replace it. And then the motor compartment we have over here, I'm a little in a quandary on the motor. It has been upgraded to an alternator, and the harnesses I bought are for the original generator, so I still have to noodle through that, but I think I'm going to be going back to the generator. But here's the engine compartment. I installed some of the old interior, some of it a little ratty, but some of it's really nice. So here's what I've put in the interior. The driver's seat's all beat up. The passenger seat's pretty good. Got the steel dash form in there. And over here we got the rear seat and components in. They cleaned up really nice. This is unusual interior with the black and gray cloth inserts. So moving around here to the back is my spare parts T-Bird that I used. It was really a savings grace having that. Of course, I used the motor out of the spare. That's the motor that's in the vehicle I'm restoring. Now this here, the whole front is complete. All the grille components, bumpers. Actually, the bumpers aren't too bad. I stole quite a few parts off of it, but not the grille work. And here's what's left of the interior. Actually, the rear components are still there. And console's there. And even the dash components there. And then over here is the rear seats. And I actually have a nicer set of tail lights for this. And here's the bumper, rear bumper. And it would be nice if I could get somebody to take this off my hands. The trunk pan or the rear components, as far as rust, are there. Not that they're in great shape. So I originally had bought this to make a teardrop trailer out of it, and the rear seat portion is also in very good shape. So the windows are still here. I took the vent windows out. Gonna have those re-chromed, and here's some of the components inside. One door panel there, and then the rear shelf. I even left a little T-Bird instead of steel in it. So anyways, this is my spare vehicle. So if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe. We're going to have many more episodes of the restoration of this. I call this the Red Bird, actually. The one in the back over there that I'm using as spares, I call the Bird. But anyways, and hit the notification. Like I say, there's going to be several episodes, so if you subscribe, you'll know when I post more videos. Have a nice day.